Most people think making a cinematic series takes a full crew, months of work, and a massive budget. But what if one person could create an entire drama from just a script? That's exactly what this AI just made possible.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place.
So imagine this. You've got a story in your head. Maybe it's a revenge arc, maybe it's a dystopian world, maybe it's a billionaire drama. Normally, that idea just sits there because turning it into a real series is almost impossible alone. But now, you can drop that idea into Pippit, and it doesn't just give you a video, it builds an entire series. And here's where it gets interesting. Instead of manually breaking down your story into scenes, characters, and episodes, Pippit's AI short drama agent takes your script, even up to 100,000 words, and turns it into a structured, multi-episode narrative automatically. Not just clips, actual storytelling.
Kale, this path will consume you.
It will make me a god. You were too weak to see it.
I will not let your sacrifice be in vain, Master.
Fight me! Stop hiding behind his weakling forms!
It isn't his form, it's mine.
What are you doing?
Now let's turn this into something real. Let's say you're creating a comic-style drama series, something cinematic, stylized, almost like a graphic novel brought to life. You upload your script or even just a concept like a betrayed heir returns to destroy the empire that abandoned him. And within minutes, you've got scenes, environments, pacing, everything mapped out. Now you're not just making content, you're building a visual universe. Now here's the part most people don't realize. Consistency is the hardest thing in AI video. You can generate cool clips, sure, but keeping the same character, same face, same style across multiple scenes, that's where things usually fall apart. But Pippit handles that automatically. It scans your entire story, understands your characters, and keeps them visually consistent across every episode. So your main character doesn't randomly change appearance mid-story, they evolve naturally just like in a real series. Now let's talk about scale. Traditionally, creating even a short drama series would take writers, designers, editors, actors, and weeks, if not months, but here, you're basically running a one-person studio. You write or generate the script, and the AI handles the rest: scene building, cinematography, lighting, even pacing. So instead of spending weeks building one episode, you could generate an entire multi-episode arc in a single session. Think about that for a second. Now here's something I tested, and this is important. I wanted to see if the AI could handle multiple scene transitions with the same character, like a ballroom, a ruined city, a rainy street, same character, different environments, and surprisingly, it holds up. The character stays recognizable, the tone stays consistent, and the story actually flows instead of feeling like random clips stitched together. And that's a big deal, because storytelling only works when the audience believes the world you're building. At this point, you're probably wondering, is this actually replacing traditional production? Not really. Not yet. But it is changing who gets to create. Pippit basically gives you a full production pipeline powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0, all in one place. If you've got a story in your head, this is the fastest way to bring it to life. Let me know what kind of series you'd create. And if you want more tools like this, you know what to do.